Hi guys, it's Rey Watkins Journal. Welcome to my channel. So to this video, I'm going to unbox and share with you guys what I got from the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animation 2021 collection. So let's do the unboxing, guys. Okay, our first item, guys. So here it is. Let's open this one. Okay, so we have this one. Ooh, look at this. Okay, this is our first item from the collection. Oh, look at this. Very nice, you guys. Okay, so we have here is the Xmas Paul notebook cover. As you can see, guys, look at this. Really amazing. I love the color. Okay, so this one is the Xmas Paul notebook cover, guys. So this one is the classic monogram canvas, as you can see, with a playful spirit of iconic house style. This one has Vivienne, so as you can see, here's the Vivienne mascot for Louis Vuitton. And then this one is the Hollywood. This one is the Hollywood, guys, as you can see. Okay, so with S-lock in here with the leather. This one is the leather with the S-lock. So let's open. So at the back, this is the back. Super nice. This one is the animated, that's why they put the Vivienne mascot, like they always release once every year. This one is the women's collection, guys. So this is the inside. Pretty nice, vibrant color. Super cool. This one has gold hardware, as you can see, guys. It's a gold hardware with the engraved LV logo here and Louis Vuitton here. Inside, Louis Vuitton Paris, as you can see. There's made in France. Super cool, guys. Okay, so this one I'll just show you the measurement. Okay, so this one, the detail of this cover is 5.7 by 7.9 by 0.8 inches, you guys. So that's the measurements of this cover. So this one is the limited edition from the women's collection. It's the Christmas notebook cover, guys. So that's it. So it's very nice monogram. So let's do the next item. Okay, next item, guys. Okay, so here's the next item. We got this. Okay, so I'm opening all the SLG. It's the small leather goods from Louis Vuitton, guys. So there's another one. Focusing. Okay, let's open the next item. Next item, guys. Oh, look at this one. Okay. So this one is the Zippy Wallet from the women's collection, but it's super cool. So I need to have this one because it's very nice. Okay, so this one is a classic monogram canvas also, as you can see. But this one is the London Christmas Animation 2021 collection. See, as you can see, here's the Vivienne. This is the mascot of Louis Vuitton, and then Vivienne is posing together with the Welsh Guard of London. Here it is. Look, it's super cute. Oh, look at this puppy. It's super nice. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is the big bin, sorry. This is the big bin, the guard, this one, then this is the Vivienne. This is the mascot of Louis Vuitton. So it's a gold hardware, as you can see. Pretty nice zipper. Look at this, super cool. Okay, let's check the inside, guys. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is the other side with where you put the coins. There's a classic monogram, as you can see. Monogram. With the zipper in the middle. Very nice compartment. Okay, this one is a big compartment. 1, 2, 3. 3 big compartment. And then you can put all your cards here, credit cards and stuff. Bills. Another compartment. This one is pretty big. Okay, so this one is the women's collection, but this one is for me because I love the design. You guys, okay, so you can carry this inside your bag, or you can use this as a clutch. Just hold it like this because you can put all your personal stuff in this wallet because it's pretty big. Plus it's vibrant red compartment, which I love. Smells so good. You guys, okay, so this one is my very first wallet. This is my very first long wallet because I have a pocket organizer collection, so I usually carry the small wallet. So this is my very first long wallet, you guys. So limited edition Zippy Wallet. Okay, so let's check the other item. Last item. Let's open the last item. Okay, so we have passport holder, guys. Okay, so this is the passport cover. It's like the notebook cover. This one is the Hollywood as well. Okay, so this one has a compartment for your card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one's the other side. This one can hold to the Eclipse. This is the one I usually use. So now I'm gonna let go this one. So I am going to use the Christmas edition. This one is from the women's collection, limited edition Christmas animated collection 2021. Okay, so let's put the passport. It holds 2 passports. Look at this. It's super nice. Monogram canvas as well. Okay, so this is the Hollywood also. Pretty cool. I love the color and the design. Look at the bear with the scarf. Super cute. See? Yeah, that's the one we got from the collection. So here's the items, you guys. Okay, so this one is the London, the Hollywood, passport cover, notebook cover, and the Zippy Wallet. There you go, guys. Hope you like our video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new video. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next vlog.